In question 7 we have a circuit with a 15 volt supply, a 1200 ohm resistor in parallel with a thermistor, and this combination in series with a 540 ohm resistor and an ammeter. In A, when the thermistor is at a certain temperature, the current through the ammeter is 10.0 milliamps. In part 1 we need to find the potential difference across the 540 ohm resistor. Well, potential difference is current times resistance. Putting in the values of 10 milliamps and 540 ohms, there must be a potential difference of 5.4 volts across it. In part 2 we need to find the potential difference across the 1200 ohm resistor. Well, the 15 volts of the supply minus the 5.4 volts across the 540 ohm resistor leaves 9.6 volts across the parallel part of the circuit, including the 1200 ohm resistor and the thermistor. In part 3, we need to find the resistance of the parallel combination of resistor and thermistor. Well, resistance is voltage over current, and we have 9.6 volts carrying a current of 10 milliamps, giving a resistance of 960 ohms. In part 4 we need to find the resistance of the thermistor. Well, for this we can use the resistors in parallel equation, where 1 over the total resistance of the combination is 1 over one of the resistors plus 1 over the other resistor. Putting in the values, the total resistance we've just found at 960 ohms. This is the 1200 ohm resistor plus the thermistor. Rearranging, we get 1 over the resistance of the thermistor is given by this value, the units at the moment ohms to the minus 1. Invert both sides, we get the resistance of the thermistor as 4800 ohms. In B, the temperature of the thermistor is increased so its resistance reduces. We need to state and explain what happens to the potential difference across the 1200 ohm resistor. Well, the resistance of the parallel combination will reduce, so increasing the circuit current. This means the potential difference across the 540 ohm resistor must increase. The supply potential difference is fixed, so the potential difference across the 1200 ohm resistor must fall.